Lightweight shorts, breathable rash guards, and compression gear that stay in place as the rounds get tough. We build our NOGI lineup with the same philosophy as we built our gis, with comfort, durability, and performance, all built here on the Origin American blockchain. Now let's talk Comfort Fit Rash Guard. This rash guard was designed to fit more like an athletic t-shirt. In Jiu-Jitsu, we're all used to wearing this tight, compression fitting rash guard. At Origin, we wanted to change it up to where we had a looser fitting shirt that felt more natural in the body, that still moved with you, still wicked away sweat, still tight in the shoulders and biceps and sitting close to your chest, but loose throughout the body. So when you're training, it's not hugging or squeezing or restricting your movement. All of our rash guards are fully sublimated in-house. So your design, the color will last forever, it will never fade on you. It's also extremely durable. What I mean by that, if somebody was to reach or pull on this rash guard, it has a bounce back technology we engineered into this fabric. So it always returns to the original look when you first purchased this rash guard. The coolest thing about this rash guard is this, like watch this. If I pull this, you see that's what normal rash guards do, and they stay like that forever. But if I take my hand and heat it up, it goes back to, it goes right back to the original look. Like, look, go right back to fine. Now let's talk compression fit rash guard. Our compression fit rash guard comes in two styles, long sleeve and short sleeve. If you're looking for a rash guard that wants to sit extremely close to the body and give that compression feel, this is the style for you. With all the same technology as our comfort fit rash guard, 360 stretch, moisture wicking, it's gonna hold up to all of your hard training sessions. Whether you like something that's compression or whether you like something that's comfort, if you're looking for a more traditional fitting rash guard, our compression series is for you. Let's talk compression shorts. Our compression shorts were designed using the same exact Warwick fabric that we use for our rash guards. They're made to be worn under your NOGI shorts or under your gi pants. They're gonna help wick away sweat, they're gonna help move with the body, keep everything in place while you're training and moving around, and the elastic waistband makes it extremely comfortable. Our compression shorts were designed with a double butt and double crotch area for extra comfort and long-lasting rounds. We spent the last 3 years trying to design a NOGI short, and we were running into the same issues. It's always soaking wet when we're done training, they always fall off our hips, and they can't hold up to hard rounds. Well, after many years, we were able to design and come up with the perfect NOGI short, our Nylock NOGI short. It has 360-degree stretch, it's gonna wick away sweat, it's gonna move with your body. It has an internal rope system, so nothing's hanging on the outside to get caught by someone's foot or hang you up while you're rolling. These shorts also have a reverse yoke sewed into the back of the shorts, so they're gonna stay on your hips the whole time while you're training. Our Nylock NOGI shorts come in both 7 and 9-inch inseams, giving you the choice between a shorter, more minimal feel or a longer, more traditional fit. Origin's NOGI lineup is built to handle the hard training. Choose the pieces that fit your style, and we'll see you on the mats.